Okay guys, now this video is going to teach you how to make the videos that I make. Now you're going to make your own video. For today's assignment, it's going to be showing us how to use that cannonball and how to figure out the velocity that you need. But we also might use this video again for future assignments if you're going to make a video. So it can really be to do any video if you want to explain how to do something on your computer. And so here's the first thing you need to do. You need to go to your app store, because if you're going to show the handwriting, so I'm going to go to App Store. If you're going to show your handwriting, then you're going to need to have an app where you can draw. And so when you get here, you're just going to go ahead and you're going to look for Sketchbook. Perfect. Okay. Autodesk Sketchbook is what you want to install. So you'll see mine already says installed. It's free, so you just go ahead and click free and install that thing right away. So before you do anything, you want to install that. Now, once you have Sketchbook, so I already have it, so I can go here to my Launchpad and I can look for Sketchbook. I'm going to open it up. Now, I'm just going to show you what it does. So if it'll ever open, we'll get a little spinny wheel. Essentially what you can do with Sketchbook, and it's always going to ask you to buy Sketchbook Pro. You don't need Sketchbook Pro. And if any of you do art, this is a really cool tool also. So you can pick your tool over here. So like you can pick the pencil if you want. The pencil, right, it's kind of dark or kind of light. You can go and you can erase that. Or I'm just going to go undo and erase those. These are erasers if you need to erase something. It's just like having an art kit. So there's different types of markers. I really like this ballpoint pen personally, and make sure that you've chosen black. And then you can write. So like now I know for you guys, like it's not going to be perfect because you have to write on your trackpad, but like I can write something like, like McSparron, and I'm just using my trackpad right now. I'm not using. I've also got a couple tools you could use, and I might let you guys try, where you can actually use a pen to write. But it might be slow for you, but that's okay. It'll allow you to use your handwriting. It makes it a lot easier, especially when you're doing math stuff. McSparron is cool. There we go. So you can write out a math equation very easily on this. So that's Sketchbook. So whenever you want to show the video, the calculations that you made, you'll just go to Sketchbook. So when you have that, you're ready to go. So once you're ready to make your presentation, what you need to do is go ahead and open up QuickTime Player. So see how I've got QuickTime Player? If you don't have it open, just go to your Launchpad and search for QuickTime, and you're going to see QuickTime Player. Now up here in the top left-hand corner, you're going to see QuickTime Player, and you're going to see File. So go to File, and then do New Screen Recording. Okay. Now, I'm already doing a screen recording, so this shows up gray. Yours will be black, so you can just click on it. But when you go to screen recording, it's going to pop up a box that looks like this. Now, I just took a screenshot of it so you can see it, but it pops up this little box right here, okay? So you'll see that on your desktop, and you need to click this triangle. See that triangle? I can't click it right now because it's just a screenshot, but you'll click it, and it'll ask you what microphone to use. You need to click on built-in microphone. So once you click built-in microphone, then you just hit the record button. Once you hit the record button, it'll ask you to either click anywhere on the screen or to drag an area. For this, just go ahead and click anywhere on the screen, and then now you're recording. You're making a video just like mine. So you're going to do that, and then whatever you want to film, you film. So you can go to your, if you have the Canon demonstration up, you can go to the Canon demonstration and you can show how to measure and all that kind of stuff. Once you're ready to do your calculations, you can go ahead and open up Sketchbook. Maybe, there we go. Sketchbook, and you can show your calculations here. Okay, so I mean you could do, if you're doing 4 plus 4, then just show plus 4 in the Sketchbook. All right, if you need to go to your calculator, you can flip over to your calculator and you can do, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Whatever you think is going to make this good for other people to watch, that's what you're going to put on. So film anything and everything you want, make it as long or as short as you want. When you're completely done, what you're going to do is you're either going to click this stop button right there, and that should stop it, or you can go down here to QuickTime and you can two-finger click, and you can do stop screen recording, which is what you see me do a lot. Once you stop screen recording, it's going to ask you if you want to, or it'll pop up another screen with your video, and what you're going to do is go to File, Export, and you'll export it to the biggest size that it'll let you. If it'll let you export 1080p, export 1080p. If it wants you to export to 780p, export to 780p. And then you'll have your video exported in a format you can watch. And then I want to take a look at it. So that's sort of the quick and easy way to do this. Obviously, if you have questions, make sure you're asking me because I can help a ton. All right, have fun.